Talk to us about fire alarms.
Fire alarms can be loud. They work ways that some fire alarms don't. And they are actually very different than tornado alarms. They only sound for fires. And they also need to warn people of a fire.
What are some of the types of fire alarms?
EST Genesis, Simplex, True Alert, Spectre Alert Advance, Spectre Alert, Edwards Genesis,
How bright are some of them?
very
How do they measure the brightness? Starts with a C.
Candela,
Candela, yeah. How do they measure the noise?
the speaker in it.
Yeah, the speaker. How loud is it? Do you know what that word is called? Decibels.
Decibels.
You heard that one before?
Yeah, you told me it.
Oh, okay. All right. Hey, Jake. Wave to the camera.